In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Instagram link to your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once the app is loaded, first of all, we need to head over to our Facebook profile page. To do that, we need to tap right here at our profile picture. The process is similar for both iOS and Android devices. And once we are at our Facebook profile, right over here, we can easily find Edit Profile button. We need to tap on it to get into Edit Profile section. That's where we can change our profile picture, avatar, cover photo, and a bunch of other options. And in here, we need to scroll down to the very bottom until we find links here. As you can see, currently I don't have any links in that list. However, if you got some, you will see all of them here. There may be located links to your other social media platforms or messengers, maybe TikTok, Snapchat, a website, and others. Then, to continue, we need to hit right here at Add to be able to add Instagram link. Then, first off, we need to hit at Add Social Link, and it will allow us to choose a platform. So we're gonna tap Add Platform here, and that's where we are searching for Instagram. I have just selected Instagram, and down below here I need to enter my Instagram username. So you have to know your Instagram username to proceed. If you don't remember it, you need to open up your Instagram app. Once the app is loaded, tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile, and that's where at the top left corner you can easily find your Instagram username. You need to remember it. You can also hit at share profile, and then if you hit add copy link, you can copy that link to the clipboard. If your username is hard to remember or it is too long, maybe it will be the best way for you. And then we need to go back to Facebook. Now we can just paste the URL we have just copied. And then we need to remove all this part. Except our Instagram username. I can do so in that way. I hope you got the point. However, you can just enter your Instagram username manually here just by using your keyboard. And then on the final step, we need to choose whether we would like to make that link public or visible just for friends, or private. Private is called here only me. And then I'm gonna keep it public, and then to save the changes, to apply the changes, we just need to hit at save, and after a couple of seconds we are taken back to our Facebook profile. Now I just need to refresh it, and as you can see, my Instagram profile link has just been added to my Facebook profile, and now it is visible from here, and any user can tap at that link to head over to my Instagram profile on the Instagram app or on the Instagram website from computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.